Ah, Las Vegas, the pinnacle of all things luxurious, glamorous, and flashy. The city calls itself the entertainment capital of the world and is renowned for its luxurious, enormous casino hotels and the activities that go along with them. Being the 25th most populated city in the U.S., it is not a shocker that Las Vegas welcomes more than 350,000 tourists every day on average. The city of Las Vegas is well known for its casinos, five-star resorts, and hotels. Additionally, it is renowned for its theme parks, gaming, shopping, fine dining, entertainment, live performances, and nightlife. Many films are shot here, and a number of actors and actresses reside here as well. Las Vegas is overflowing with fun and iconic, offering more attractions and entertainment than you can count. It is indeed one of the top vacation places on everyone's bucket list. However, with an overwhelming list of choices and activities, it can be difficult to determine the most affordable but still worth it way of spending your time in the city. But most importantly, food. With the construction of ever larger hotel and resort complexes, Las Vegas' greatest restaurants are becoming more and more numerous in an almost exponential fashion. The greatest Las Vegas restaurants offer everything from Michelin-starred culinary wonders like Joel Robuchon and Picasso to cheap nibbles and buffets. With these things taken into consideration, deciding where to dine during a brief visit to Las Vegas may be extremely difficult, especially when you are limited to a budget but still want to have a great and memorable time. If you are facing that struggle, worry not. This video is made especially for you, because today, we will be sharing the top 5 must-try cheap eats in Las Vegas, and give you some travel tips when in the city as well. What are some cheap but delectable restaurants in Las Vegas that you may not have heard of yet? And what are some must-keep-in-mind tips when traveling the city? Well, you're about to find out. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Here are the top 5 must-try cheap eats in Las Vegas. Top 1. Tacos El Gordo. The top one on our list is Tacos El Gordo, located at 1724 East Charleston Boulevard in Las Vegas, Nevada. This taqueria is ideal if you're searching for a reasonably priced, authentic restaurant serving scrumptious, finger-licking Mexican food. The atmosphere in the restaurant is simply pure delicious chaos, with Spanish chatters, and people desperate in line for mouth-watering tacos, and other items as well. Their method of order is divided into lines, a different line for different items. One line is for pork, another is for beef, and a third is for tongue, stomach, and beef brains. Yes, beef tongue, stomach, and brains. If you want to try something unique and new, you should definitely consider ordering those. But if you want to stick to the safer options, the tacos, quesadillas, and mulas are the restaurant's top sellers. Their menu items range from $2.25 to $15, which is definitely worth it considering the quality of authentic food that you get. Top 2. Dirt Dog. On the top 2, we have Dirt Dog. If you don't have the time to sit and wait for a meal to be served, and would prefer quick eats, then this one is a perfect place for you. It has different locations all over Las Vegas, one being at 3649 S Las Vegas Boulevard. Best known for its LA street food style serving and overloaded toppings, Dirt Dog is a relaxing and comfortable stop for deep fried food, including many hot dog options, a loaf, fries, churros, corn on a stick, horchata ice cream, deep fried Oreos, and mini corn dog and nugget meals. Their dirt dogs or hot dogs range between the prices of $8 to $12.25, their fries from $4.95 to $12.25, and desserts from $3.25 to $10.15. Considering the portion sizes for the reasonable and affordable price, it is a definite must-try to eat when you are in the city. Top 3. Secret Pizza. In the top 3 of our list is the Secret Pizza. It is quite literally a secret, because it is hidden on the 3rd floor of the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. Unless you already know where it is located, it would be difficult for you to find since there is no signage. But locating it would be worth it once you get your order. Because one thing about this restaurant is that it is no secret how delicious their pizzas are. Don't believe us? Well, their pizza is rated as one, if not, the best pizza at the Strip. Their popular items include white pie, cheese pizza, and combo pizza. You can order an entire pie or just a slice. They also have salads and drinks. Is it expensive? Well, it has been recognized as one of the top locations to get cheap pizza, so most definitely a no. Now that the secret is out, you should definitely consider eating here and trust your nose to lead the way. Top 4. Ramen Ya. Coming in at top 4 is Ramen Ya, located in downtown Las Vegas. Ramen Ya is a sister restaurant of the well-known Ramen Catania restaurant, which is situated in San Francisco. It is renowned for its tasty and genuine ramen selections, serving simple bowls of hot broth topped with thick noodles at rates that are fairly regular as opposed to expensive dining. Despite having a fairly simple menu, Ramen Ya is nevertheless original and excellent. Ramen is available in pork, sea salt, soy sauce, soybean, and vegetarian flavors. Their items range in price from $11 to $30, which is neither too cheap nor too costly. You can also add more toppings of your choice to your ramen. Ramen plus Vegas? Definitely a yeah. Top 5. In-N-Out Burger. Finally, at top 5, we have In-N-Out Burger. First of all, who doesn't like a good, meaty, and savory burger? Well, if you do, this place is an absolute must-try. In-N-Out Burger has several locations all over Las Vegas. One located at 3545 Las Vegas Boulevard, South Las Vegas, Nevada. Even the pickiest burger enthusiast should be satisfied by the variety of specialty alternatives available here. All the burgers here are freshly made with ingredients that were never frozen or pre-packaged. They prepare their own patties and bake their buns fresh. The restaurant's commitment to using high-quality ingredients shows off and is evident in its great burgers, fries, and shakes. They offer different sorts of burgers, beverages, and combos as well. Their burgers cost between $2.40 and $3.85. Inexpensive and worth a try. That does it for our top 5 must-try cheap eats in Las Vegas. You might think that choosing the best place to find food that is both delicious and cheap in this luxurious city is difficult. But there are hundreds of underrated spots where you can get affordable and good quality food. Now let's head over to some travel tips. Traveling can be such a hassle. It becomes worse when you have no previous experience or travel to a certain place, and Las Vegas can be pretty overwhelming. So it's better to keep yourself informed and ready for what you might encounter in the city. Here are some tips when traveling in Las Vegas. 1. Book in advance. Book in advance so you can save time and avoid the hassle of last-minute transactions. 2. Avoid going on weekends. Due to its popularity, weekends are frequently packed. It's best to go midweek since hotel prices are cheaper, fewer visitors, and more available taxi rides. 3. Check the resort fees. Hotels on the Strip charges a hotel resort fee. To avoid unpleasant surprises about additional expenses, make sure to check their website and add them to your budget. 4. Wear comfortable shoes and sun protection. Be smart with your choice of footwear. You'll most likely be doing a lot of walking and exploring, so pack comfortable and suitable shoes. Also, wear protective sunglasses, sunscreen, and hats to help you with the heat. 5. Always keep yourself hydrated. Have water on hand at all times to stay hydrated when visiting Las Vegas, especially during the summer. The heat can easily exhaust and dehydrate you, which might ruin your stay and endanger your well-being. 6. Set a budget for your spending ahead of time. If you plan to gamble in Las Vegas, make sure to set a gambling budget. Set a limit and be careful to not waste your hard-earned money. Hopefully, this video helped you with your travel plans to Las Vegas. Which among the top 5 must-try cheap eats in Las Vegas would you most likely go to? Let us know in the comments. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more videos from us. This is HEL World. Until next time.